Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my god. Okay. 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 I was just in the middle of filming. I was just in the middle of filming a wish list video, and I was literally talking about this bag in the wish list video. Oh my god. So as I was talking about an Hermes bag, I get like a doorbell ring. And you know, I was talking to my boyfriend the other day about, you know, Hermes and how good of an investment it is and all this shit, and how that's the only bag I really want. And I told him about Privé Porter. And then the next day I like kind of changed my mind and started talking about a new bag that I wanted, because, you know, I just did. And then I open the box and I see this. I'm shaking. I'm shaking right now. Like, I'm shaking because I think I know what's in this box. But like, here's the receipt. Here's another receipt. And here is the box. Oh my god. I don't cry on social media, so you won't see me crying. But oh my gosh. I feel like a very happy and lucky girl right now. So this is going to be a 150% real, true unboxing video of what I think is a Hermes Kelly. But it's technically even a somewhat of a surprise to me what's in this bag, so, or what's in this box. So yeah, I guess let's unbox it. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Me and him were just talking about this, and I told him about Privé Porter. And I told him about, like, you know, that's like the easiest way to get a bag and yada yada yada. And oh my gosh, you guys, it's like so hold on, I'm gonna reposition the camera. Okay, okay. I'm so excited. I'm so freaking happy. Okay, so it comes with the raincoat. And what is this? A booklet. Okay. And then, whew, okay. Oh. Oh my gosh. I'm so fucking happy right now. Let me readjust the camera so I look like cute again. This is insane. 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 I got Hermes Kelly bag. This is so good. Okay, Let's see what the inside looks like. I'm so happy. And it still has the plastic on, like everything still has the plastic on it. Oh my gosh, so happy. Okay. Ooh, you guys. I'm so freaking happy. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Okay. So then this is the strap. Oh, yeah. So pretty. This is so good, guys. This is so, I'm like so freaking happy right now. Like I'm honestly, I feel like, okay, and then this is the, oh, I didn't want to drop it. And then this is the lock, which I will put on my bag in a little bit. I don't remember how you put it on, so I'm gonna have to like regroup and remember how to put this bag on. So I'm gonna regroup in a little bit and like remember how to put this lock on the bag. But like, you know, here are the keys, here's the lock. This is insane. This is insane. Like, I was not planning on doing an unboxing video today. Like, oh my god. Okay. This smells so good. Okay, guys. This, you know what I need now? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know what I need now? I need a twilly. I need to put a twilly on this. Oh my god. This is insane. Okay, and so then there's like, there's tape on all of the bottom of the legs. This is a brand new, Kelly. This is brand new. This is brand new. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so like, oh my gosh. Literally, I was just doing a video where I was talking about Hermes. I was just doing a video on this bag. I was just doing a wish list video. I was, I don't, just like, I don't even know any words. I was just doing a wish list video talking about like my Hermes Kelly wish list, and obviously I still have a couple other bags on that wish list, but for the doorbell to ring and this to come in the mail like it did, oh my god. I don't even have any like words. I honestly don't. Like, there's no words. Okay, and then like the plastic is on this. How do you take the plastic off of this? All right, I think plastic on the handle. Oh yeah. I'm like so, I'm kind of like trying to figure out what I should do. Like, should this be my new like everyday bag? Should I like, or would that be extra? I feel like it should. I feel like this is the bag I should be carrying like every day for like ever. You guys. I don't know what's, I mean, my head is pounding. I'm like, I was not expecting this. I was not expecting this. Maybe I should have been expecting it. I think he tried to tell me that it was coming, but like, I was not expecting this. Oh my God, I was not. And now like, I feel like I need to go to the Hermes website and get like a twilly and have them like put it on for me. Oh my God. Oh, I mean, I'm like shook. Maybe I should should I keep the sticker? Should I keep the sticker on it? What would you guys do? Would you guys keep the stickers? Oh my gosh. I mean, this bag smells so good. maybe it's because it's new, but like this smells really good. Oh my God, I love it! I freaking love this bag. Oh my God, it looks so good! Okay, like my heart is beating so fast, you guys. My heart is beating so fast. Like, it's like, I actually need to like take a minute and calm down because I fucking love surprises like this. You guys have no idea. This was such like this was such a surprise. Like, I just looked at this bag the other day on Privé Porter and now it's in my hand. Oh my God. Oh my God. Alright guys, like there's nothing else for me to talk about. Thanks for watching this like real unboxing. Oh, my head is pounding. My head is like pounding out of my way. Like, oh my God. All right, maybe in my next video it'll be a little bit I don't even have any words. I hope you guys like this video and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.